Welcome back once again to Mommy's Yum. My name is Chioma. If this is your first time, you're very welcome, and to my old subscribers, thank you once again for joining in. Today I'm going to be making this beautiful, delicious and nutritious yam meal for baby. It is suitable for babies from 9 months and above. As you can see, it's not a puree. If you've got a younger baby and you want to try it for them, you can also puree it for them so that they can enjoy this delicious and nutritious meal. But for today, I'm going to be making it in a way that you can give it to your baby to start learning how to chew food. This is our local food, and getting babies to start eating this will make them to embrace the family food that you are going to start them with. Food, and getting them to have the feel of this food is also very important. So if you want to see how I made this, keep watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to Mommy's Yum by clicking the subscribe button below, and also click the notification button so that you get notified whenever I post new videos. So I'm going to be starting by cutting my yam. I'm going to be using just a slice. I'm going to cut off just this bit, and then I'm going to be using one slice of yam. Actually, I'm going to use half. Use this whole slice if you are going to maybe make some and keep for later, but with just half of this yam, you have made enough meal to satisfy your baby. You can see you don't need to waste too much money in making homemade baby food for your baby. A slice of yam cut into half and you have a good meal with just the little nutritious things that we are going to put to make it a nutrient dense food for your baby. I'm using half of it, as I said, and I'm cutting it into small pieces so that it can cook fast. Wash it very well and then put in your saucepan. Add some water, cover and allow it to cook. This will take less than 10 minutes to finish. I'm going to quickly cut my apple. I'm going to be using apple to sweeten it. Apple is a very good source of vitamins for babies and kids. It's one of the first fruit purees you can give to your baby too. You can check in the description box for the first baby food purees that you can give to your baby. Apple is one of them. It's very good for their stomach. It doesn't give them any problem. You can cut out the back if you want, or you can leave it as it is. So this is for a 9 months old baby, so it's really okay if you don't cut out the back of the apple. Just chop the apples and then add it to the yam to cook. At this point, you can just allow it to cook until it softens. It takes less than 4 to 5 minutes to soften if you have chopped it into small bits. Stir it and then cover it to cook. As you can see, the water has already dried up in the pot, and my apple and my yam are all soft. At this point, I'm going to be adding milk. Milk is a good source of protein and calcium for babies. See how we are incorporating nutritious food for baby in this. Also, we are adding peas, which is a vegetable and also gives babies good nutrition, vitamins and minerals, which are important for them. I'm also adding butter, which is fat, and is very, very important in helping babies to absorb all the beautiful nutrients in this food. Fat is very good for babies. They are not doing fit farm with us, so don't starve your baby of fat. They need it for their growth and development. So at this point, you don't need to cook this very much again. Cover and allow the peas to just simmer for about 1 minute. And that's it. Our food is ready. I'm going to be using my masher at this point to just mash it up so that it will be very, very easy for baby to eat. If you haven't got a masher, you can use your fork, you can use your spoon. Anything you have that can just mash it up is okay. Just mash it up very well. Add some liquid if you need to add some more liquid to it. Add a little bit of more milk, and that's it. Our food is ready. You can serve baby this delicious and beautiful meal. And if you try it, don't forget to leave a comment to tell me about it. Send me a message or on Instagram and tell me if you tried this for your baby. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe, as I said earlier. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video as you give your baby Nigerian foods, as you give your baby nutritious Nigerian foods.